All right, fantastic. Hope you guys had a lot of fun with that. Yes, our team really enjoyed working with John on that experiment. Noted on the latency point. I was expecting John to actually add some some aluminum rods towards the end there, so that was interesting. But we'll go straight on to our closing remarks. So I hope you've had a useful day. We've from all the conversations that I saw happening between customers, rackers, both in the room, in the solutions pavilion, in the actual breakouts, they all seemed like they were very robust, very, very good questions that were being asked. Hopefully you learned something today as well. I hope you don't stop learning. I hope you really leverage what you've actually taken and started today and actually extend that over the next couple of weeks. We're always available. We don't sleep. Rackspace never shuts down. You can always call in and ask a question, so just know that. So we're always available, and you've met a lot of people here that can help you. So with that, we went on this fairly, I would say, robust customer journey. We started off with, again, one of my favorites, Sesame Street, our fanatical AWS customer, and how they are globalizing their digital footprint using Rackspace's fanatical AWS service and business. We went on to the cosmetics industry with Rodan and Fields, and you heard about how they are really transforming their business from a social and omni-channel perspective using Rackspace's digital experts. And that's another very, very a business that we had for many, many years, very, very value added for our customers, and hopefully it was useful. And then we went on to Microsoft, and they talked about how enterprises are differentiating on the cloud and how they're bringing together multiple services. They talked about Cortana, they talked about their Azure platform, et cetera, and the industrial Internet of Things. So really interesting stuff. And again, thank you for them for being a platinum sponsor today. And then OSG, a longtime partner of Rackspace in the OpenStack private cloud space. And you heard about really great themes like DevOps that hopefully are very, very topical for you folks as you think about really scaling in the cloud. And then we wrapped up with GSD&M, our very own madman from Austin, Texas. And you heard about how they're really revolutionizing the creative industry using data specifically powered by OpenStack, by our Object Rocket business at Rackspace, which is a company that we acquired a few years ago. Our sponsors, we have to really thank these folks because they really helped make this event a really big success. Microsoft, from a Diamond perspective, Akamai, VMware, Red Hat, Alert Logic, Warmetric, and a whole range of others, silver sponsors you see at the bottom. So thank you again for being part of this event. And then the Solution Pavilion, I hope you found that useful. We had some of our best experts out there today, and hopefully you thought so as well. Please continue that conversation. We had some really, really great interactions. So before we wrap up and enjoy some cocktails outside, we have a very, very quick video to showcase what happened during the day. You're welcome to Rackspace Solve San Francisco. This is year number 3 for our company being here in this event. This is really an exciting venue for us because this is the heart of where everything happens.
Fundamentally understanding your business process, how your users work, how those platforms drive growth in business are key to being able to successfully navigate this move to digital. Just owning a bunch of assets doesn't make you digital.
What are they learning from? How often are they learning? How many minutes are they spending watching these videos? When are they pausing it? What's influencing them? Is it Big Bird? Is it Cookie Monster? Is it Elmo? Is it Oscar the Grouch, my favorite? Just kidding.
Today, we're announcing that Rackspace has successfully managed 1 billion OpenStack server hours. 1 billion with a B.
So most tech companies experience this sort of quarter-end, kind of hockey stick. We have a month-end hockey stick where sometimes almost 80% of our compute volume occurs in the last 2 hours of the month. So the kind of spike in volume is significant, and if you don't have tools to measure, monitor, and react, you're sunk before you start.
Think about Rackspace, what Rackspace can do. Their engineers are amazing. Their support is just absolutely on top.
And when you hire them and you put together a single SLA saying, I'm going to deploy these apps, they must be HIPAA at all times, no matter how hybrid they are, that's the company that's going to be able to stand behind that statement. And that's a big reason why Microsoft loves working with Rackspace.
Our team that works with Rackspace is very impressed by the fact that whenever they call, someone actually answers the phone. And not only do they answer the phone, they understand what you're talking about and helps you with it.
So when you start partnering with them, then you start realizing, hey, okay, I've got them completely surrounded. My customer is going to be protected.
All right. Well, thank you to our marketing team, our creative team for doing that, in such short order, and just for in general, thank you to them because they're the ones that actually arranged this entire event in such great fashion. So with that, let's take it outside to the veranda terrace and enjoy the rest of your evening. So thank you again.